Hello everybody, this is BN Rao. As a part of this video, I will make you understand how to include references in your document using Microsoft Word. I recommend you people to write your reports on Microsoft Word because it offers different types of tools that makes your report appropriate. Okay, first thing that we need to check is before you start writing, you check your language. Here at the bottom you can see language and select United States, click OK. That is the first part. Next one is go to references section and make the style as APA. Okay, APA 6th edition. Usually we are following APA 7th edition now, but it is okay, you can select APA 6th edition. Very small minor changes are between APA 6 and APA 7. So now the task is, I want you to identify 20 different journal articles from Google. Okay, you do web-based research and try to find 20 journal article references relevant to the topic that is allocated on your name. Okay, so for example, Yash will be searching about cloud computing related journal articles and they will be including it. He will be creating references using the Microsoft Word. Next, Soumya, she will be working on Internet of Things and Harshita will be working on social media marketing. What we should do, I will explain you. Usually when this kind of topic is given to you, you will be searching maybe cloud computing advantages directly in the internet. When you try to search like that, you will find most of the resources that are web-based resources or blogs, internet web pages or blogs you will be reflecting when you search for cloud computing advantages or any topic that you have selected. See here, you have to make sure that you include double quotes. For example, cloud computing should be in double quotes to make sure that the topic is exact. Now you can see that cloud computing is highlighted in each source. Next one, whatever the other keyword, these are we call them keywords. Okay, these are the two keywords using which we can search online. So when you keep these two also, you can see that most of the responses that we are getting from internet are web-based articles, web pages and blogs. Okay, so now what we do is like we add a keyword called journal, Journal, journal. So now you can see multiple sources that are related to the journals. Okay, mostly these all are journals and journals containing articles related to it, related to the topic that we have selected. So most often what happens is this kind of links, they need permission or purchasing them to make sure that they are get accessed. Complete documents are quite often not observed when you open these links. To identify resources that are complete, we use PDF. Complete resources means, so maybe like when you open a link, it might show just abstract and no information is provided. Article consists of abstract, introduction and multiple sections. So when you open a paid link, it consists of only abstract, it won't consist of complete body of the report. So what I suggest you is you use PDF at the end. Now whatever the link that you see, mostly it is a PDF link. When you click on it, it will open, otherwise it will download a PDF document. Okay, these are we call journal articles. Usually journal article consists of proper name, author names will be there definitely. Okay, so we will not use Mr., Doctor, whatever it is. We don't use any salutations, that kind of. We just take names. Okay, then it consists of journal name, it consists of volume, issue detail and publication detail, and it also consists of page numbers. Everything that is required to be included in a reference will be available in journal articles. And most often journal articles will be written by researchers like you and me. Okay, So mostly these are the articles that are submitted to the highly qualified people who will be reviewing it and publishing it in journal articles, journal reports. Okay. So now let us see. This is an article. How to add article reference in your Word. Okay, let us try it. Okay, in references section, in menu references section, there is a section called Insert Citation. Click on Add New Resource. Select Journal Article. Now you can see that fields that are to be included in the document are author name or author names, title, what is the title of the article, what is the journal name, what is the year in which it got published, and what are the page numbers. Along with that, we need two extra details. I will tell you about it later. So now let us identify what are the author names. I can see that there are two names. This is a mistake here. So C dot Arun and K dot Prabhu. So let us copy it. If it won't copy, we type it. Okay, I will type it, or it's a good practice to copy because there will be no spelling issues. Okay, C dot Arun. Next one is, we should separate it by a semicolon. Semicolon looks like this. Whenever you are writing two different names, na, author 1 semicolon and A2, like this we write. Okay, so names, they are names. Okay, two names will be separated by semicolon. Done. Okay, now what we do, let us add it. Reference, insert citation, add new resource, and journal article. We select journal article. This is C dot Arun. I added it. C dot Arun, separated by semicolon, K dot Prabhu. Mostly we encourage to copy paste it, but you should cross check whether it is copied and pasted in the same. Now the title. What is the title of this article? It is very easy to identify, right? Advantages of mobile computing. Just added it. Next, what is the journal name? You can see journal name at the top, or usually we can find it at the bottom also. Okay, we find mostly journal related details at the bottom of the article or in the top section of the article. So now let us ignore this one in bracket. Just copy the name, paste it. Year of publication, it is also consists here 2018 March, so just writing 2018. So now page numbers are not mentioned here, but you can see at the bottom or at the top of the article you can see the page number 3386. It is a starting. Usually we separate starting page and ending page with a hyphen, and scroll it down 3890. So it is very important that all these fields are completely filled. There is no, if you don't have any detail, please don't select that article. It is very important to use article that consists of complete detail. Okay, now there are two important sections that are volume and issue. Just click on this one, show all fields. It open like that, and go to bottom, check volume section and issue section. Okay, what is the volume number? Volume number is 5 and issue number is 3. So this will be, sometimes it will be given like 5 open bracket close bracket 3. In that 5 is the volume number and 3 is the issue number. Sometimes they give Vivo L colon 5 and number NO colon 3. So it is also same volume and issue number. So don't confuse with that one. Volume is here 5 and issue is here 3. Added it. Okay, so the use of this one is when you add all the references continuously. After completing your document, when you click on bibliography in the references section, under style there is a bibliography section. Just include references. Whatever the references you have added, they will be automatically generated at the end of your document. Okay, so need not to format it, need not to do anything. Simply you can generate references. This is called auto generating references, and this is following exactly APS 7. All right. So like this, uh, without missing any detail, I want you to add 20 journal article related details. So it takes hardly 2 to 3 hours to find and generate references. So make sure you properly do that. For this, yes, I am counting this task as 400 words. Make it quick. I will be sharing one more task in which we will be adding books as references. Okay, so do that. Thank you.